Hi guys, Bill Bassett here again in the Interclean iLab, and today we're going to do some testing to see how good these new ready-to-use microfiber and facility wipes are. So as you know, we've been recommending for the last 15 years that to clean our touch points we should be using the highest quality microfiber we can get, moistened correctly, so 25 cloths in a bucket with 1 litre of solution on it, and used with 2 kilos of pressure under 10 square centimetres of cloth. So with those 3 things in mind, that's how we've built our systems. But that does require us to have big trolleys and good laundering systems, and that's not always possible in every type of sector. So with COVID and with needing to do better touch point cleaning, we've designed some new wipes, and today we're going to be testing them to see how good they really are. Now, to get my test, I've got an ATP meter, I've got some fluorescent Vaseline, which I'm just going to put on each of these stainless steel panels, and then I'm going to spread some spinach. So spinach contains a reasonable amount of ATP, and I'm going to put the same amount on each piece so that we should get some consistent initial readings. Now, before we start, let's test each panel and see what results we get to start with. $10,000. Let's test the second one. $9,745. $15,009. $9,398. Okay, so we've got ranges between 9,000 and 15,000 of readings of relative light units with ATP on our 4 different panels. Now we're going to clean them 4 different ways. The first panel I'm going to clean with a normal disposable cloth and a quality disinfectant on the market used by a lot of cleaning companies. The second panel I'm going to clean with TouchPoint microfiber, moistened correctly with just water. The third panel I'm going to clean with a facility wipe, a new TouchPoint facility wipe that is quite strong with extra material in it to absorb, and moistened with a benzalkonium chloride disinfectant. And the fourth, we're going to clean it with a new disposable microfiber wipe, also moistened with benzalkonium chloride disinfectant. So I'm just going to clean those now. I'm going to be spraying this cloth. Wiping the first surface. Second surface. The third surface. And the fourth surface. When we're looking for signs of the fluorescent material, we can see a little bit around the sign area, and you can see a little bit on the cloth. For the high quality microfiber, I can't see any on the plate, but I can see it on the cloth. For the facility wipe, I can't see it on the plate, but I can see it on the cloth. And for the microfiber, I can't see it on the plate, but it's quite visible in the shape of my hand where it is on this cloth. And that is sort of showing how much that cloth is grabbing what was on that surface. Now that's visually giving us an idea. Let's have a look at what scientific results we can get from this surface. Two, 5, 2, 3. So that's removed about 75% of the ATP that was on that surface. Let's test the TouchPoint microfiber. Moistened with just water, but the correct amount of moisture. And this is our benchmark for traditional cleaning in healthcare, 59. Our facility wipe, moistened with benzalkonium chloride, is giving us a reading of 111. And our new disposable microfiber, moistened with benzalkonium chloride, is giving us a reading of 7. Now, there were differing amounts of ATP on these plates, but basically if we can get from a measurement of 10,000 down to less than 10, we're talking about reducing 99.9% off those surfaces. And quite easily, if I was to wipe that surface again with a separate cloth, and theoretically what I would be doing here is increasing my frequency of cleaning. So now that we know how to clean a surface effectively with the best possible cloth available, if I am going to increase my cleaning, it makes it even better. If my cleaning process is simply moving germs around and only removing 75% of them, and I increase my cleaning, it's highly likely that I'm actually going to be spreading germs around my facility. I'm just going to test this after the second wipe and see what happens. Two. So as you can see, these are the readings that we've got today, and there are variations. When we're doing in-depth testing, we would take 3 samples of every test and throw away any outliers. But this is consistent with what we're getting. We're seeing about a 70 to 80% reduction with a disposable cloth and disinfectant, and we're seeing 99.5 and 99.99 as we move through the high quality microfiber and the facility wipes, and now the disposable microfiber. But these are great results, and you should be putting them to work in your facilities and looking at increasing your cleaning of your touch points in high risk areas. If you need any help, please contact us. We're ready to help. Have a great day. I'm Bill Bassett.